This week is our first test. Our test will be in FP1, which is the same room where we met for the orientation. It'll run from 7:15 to 8:45. It's just 90 minutes, so there's not a ton of time there. If you show up late, you will have to turn your test in at 8:45. You will be allowed to use a calculator. You cannot use a graphing calculator, obviously, because you're graphing on the test, and you cannot use a cell phone calculator. I will have a couple of calculators, and I'm happy to loan them out, but you need to make sure that you bring a calculator if you have one. On Thursday night at midnight, the study guides are due. If you haven't started it, you are really behind. You still have plenty of time, but make sure that you get rolling on your study guide. It's going to help you to solidify some of the ideas in your mind and make sure that you're studying the right things for the test. If you look at the bottom of this page, you will see a test prep. These are the kinds of questions you can expect. They're not going to be these questions, but they'll be very similar. And these are the things that you should know that you're going to have to do. You're going to have to simplify expressions, solve equations, solve inequalities. There will be word problems on the test. You're going to have to graph lines, find slope, write equations of lines. Those are really the concepts that are going to be on this test. After you've attempted all those problems, the solutions are here. So you can click that link and open them up and see how you did. I would really strongly encourage you, take a little bit of time every day, work on the study guides, work your way through the test prep. I wrote the test. I wrote the study guide problems. I wrote the test prep. I wrote all the PDFs that you've looked at so far in the course. So that's what you can expect that the test is going to look like, more than the MyMathLab homework, which is a nice opportunity to practice, but I didn't write those problems. If you have any questions, come and see me during office hours, come and see me in the Math Lab, or send me an email and let's find another time we can meet.